Hello friends, welcome to this new NFO from Aditya Birla Sun Life Mutual Fund. Let me ask you a question. Do you have the ambition to dream big? If so, do you have plans to achieve that? So the solution to your question is the new NFO, which is the Aditya Birla Sun Life Multi-Cap Fund, which encompasses the power of three, which is the best the fund house has to offer in the large cap, mid cap, and the small cap category. So at one extreme of the risk return framework, on the lower risk would be the large cap, followed by the flexi cap category, then the large and mid cap, and then the multi cap fund would fit in just before the mid cap category. So in a sense, the multi-cap fund can be looked at as slightly aggressive flexi-cap fund, where the mid and small cap exposure is on the higher side. This fund is being positioned as the fund where you would see the best ideas the fund house has to offer in the large cap, mid cap, and the small cap segment. Essentially, the way we will construct the portfolio is it will be a focused large cap with around 15 to 20 high conviction large cap ideas, a focused mid cap with 15 to 20 mid cap stocks, again chosen from our analyst conviction, again it could be a subset of our mid cap fund, and again a focused small cap with 15 to 20 stocks. The portfolio would have, the fund would have a growth bias. We are essentially looking at companies, which will be long-term compounders, where we see their growth rates to be significantly higher than the GDP growth, because that's where we think the wealth will be created. At the same time, we would like to have exposure to some of the sunrise sectors and emerging sectors, be it in the digital space or in the specialty chemicals, which can offer a very good long-term growth trajectory. While doing that, the overall portfolio construction process will be primarily bottom-up. We are looking at, as I said, the best ideas the fund holders to offer in each of the large, mid, and small cap category. So it will be purely a bottom-up approach, and that we think will provide the best alpha for this fund. And at a time when we are seeing that the breadth of the market is improving, along with the broader growth in the economy, bottom-up approach focused on stock selection, high conviction. So with this positioning, the obvious question would be what kind of an allocation one should do at this category. So I would like to say that the multi-cap fund can actually be positioned also in the allocation which one would do towards the flexi cap category, which typically would be around 35 to 40% as per our recommendation. Or one can even look at as a combination of the flexi cap and the mid and small cap category. Typically, one would allocate around 50 to 20% in the mid and small cap funds. So combining these two, if really one want to look at one single fund, then the multi-cap fund would really fulfill that mandate. So it can actually take care of the three categories, the flexi cap, the mid cap, and the small cap funds combined into one fund. And it can be positioned to the investors as one fund offering. So it actually can have a larger allocation in one's portfolio. Anywhere between 20 to 25% can easily be allocated to this category. So at this juncture in the market, when we have seen a sharp rally from the bottom and the market has gone up by 100% or so, the question would be, what should one do? I think looking at the broader recovery in the economy, we think we are at the cusp of a new cycle. And while the market might look a bit toppish over here and could see some mild correction, it is still a good point for investors who are looking at long-term wealth creation. And with the immense opportunity which is opening up in various sectors, unlike what there was in the past, it is a great opportunity for many companies and many sectors to do well. And in this context, the multi-cap fund, which is investing across the market spectrum, across sectors, across market capitalization, I think would be an ideal vehicle for investors to really compound their wealth over the next 3 to 5 year time frame. And anyone looking to invest with that kind of a time frame, the multi-cap fund at this point in time. So I would recommend or urge investors to look at this fund, take this current market opportunity where we are seeing some amount of volatility creeping up on the back of some domestic issues like the second wave of COVID. I think it's a great opportunity to really enter the market, and the multi-cap fund probably is at this point in time which we are going for. So investors who are willing to explore a bit, willing to take a slightly higher risk, but also willing to dream big. The multi-cap fund which we are offering, I think, is an ideal product, and with a 3 to 5 year horizon, it can create for investors. So welcome to the wealth creation journey by participating in this Aditya Birla Sun Life Multi-Cap Fund. Thank you.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.